Myntri Rangbah Kajala Korat Sangma Nekasngi Ula Plie Pajba Yaka Prime Hub Umdihar Bat Yaka Pineapple Processing Unit Ha Umdihar Hari Bhoi District Ha Jingdon Lang MLA Ka Umsning U Dr. Celestian Langdo Bat Ka MDC Ka Kong Magdalene Maulong Ha Bakran Ha Gani Kasngi Myntri Rangbah Ula Penpaw Ka Jingdon Kam Ban Kentiu Ya Ki Samla Ki Ban Sengkam Sengjam Ha Ki Banta Ki Paper Ulong Baka Prime Hub Kam Day Tang Ban Kentiu Ulong Baka Prime Hub Kam Day Tang Ban Kentiu Ya Ka Kam Khai Ka Pateng Hanrei Ban Ai Boru Bat Ban Ai Man Sim Ya Ki Kenhun Baper Bakin La Ban Poi Shaka Thong Ka Bakam Sejrong Ulong Baka Sengkam Sengjam Kalong Ka Bandon Kam Kam Tam Hakani Ka Juk Ka Bamanda Hakaba Kinla Ban Ai Kam Ai Jam Ya Ki Samla Ha Ki Banda Ki Baper
Be given if we can set up broomstick value addition center. The way it is now, we are just selling our broomsticks to the businessmen. They carry all our broomsticks outside the state. They process it. When it comes back, we pay a high price to buy our very own products. So if we can do value addition, packaging, making the broomstick beautiful and presentable, that will really add value and our farmers will earn much more. Lakadam turmeric is very popular throughout the country and even abroad. But Lakadam area is not a very good area for drying the sliced turmeric. I have got many contacts there who always request me, Doctor, do something in Bhoi district because there's plenty of sunshine in Bhoi where we can dry the sliced turmeric. Umdihar, Kiwi Girama Ashnong, Nakishnong Gibamarjan, Kilongkmi, Kibalawan, the Saudam, Kamtam, Jomashnong Umdihar.
And to be more competitive with others in the country. What's stopping us? So let's strive for better future together. Kani ketika na kamenta ki kun sabla ki jami, ya kapa ki don kata ka jinnang ka jista. Henry, kena dompat kata ka.
Where we store all our products today. Now I know that many of our IDCS groups and SHG groups are having big problem when it comes to storage. So we have come up with a program and we will be rolling it out just after Independence Day, maybe September first week, where we are going to be coming out with small storage spaces for the IDCS groups. So you'll be having different locations where storage spaces will be constructed and handed over to you to manage. In those locations we will also have, wherever required, cold storage in the system because cold storage also is required. We also realize that these kind of prime hubs cannot be everywhere, so in different locations we may need facility centers, a community center, community hall. So for that also we come up with a very large program where we will be setting up different community halls and facility centers in different parts of the state. So this kind of a program will be held, but I strongly feel that Umsning is an area and Bhoi is an area which can have a large logistic hub where all the different products that have to be exported outside the state to the rest of the country can actually be brought in here and connected in a logical manner, and I think that is a great opportunity which we should do.
Start recognizing and awarding some of the young entrepreneurs of our state. And so we started a Chief Minister's Entrepreneurship Award. And based on that, we started to give 1 lakh rupees to different entrepreneurs who were doing different kind of businesses in whatever line they were doing. And the idea behind this was a basic principle, which is that until and unless the public and the private sector, when I say public, I don't mean government. When I say public, means the general public, and the entrepreneurs and the private sector, until unless they don't get involved in the economic activity of a nation or of a state, we will not see sustainable development. And hence the only way for a country or for a state to achieve economic sustainability and development is to push the ecosystem for entrepreneurship forward. And hence started a very, very long journey for us with a small award that we started giving to the conceptualization of what we call the Prime program.
Hagni kesngi Myntri Rangbah kejela ukurat sama ulah peliru ya ke pineapple processing unit kebadan marjan bat kacai ke prime hub.
And then
further infrastructure has to be developed by the European standards. And we are
tell us what is to be done. So we are here in Umdihar village in Umdihar area, Bhoi district, and as you're aware that the government has started focusing on certain products which we are producing well, but we are not able to market it, and hence we have decided to give a special focus on these kind of products, and pineapple happens to be one of those products. And as you're aware that we have already started marketing the pineapple to other parts of the world and the rest of the country also through a lot of marketing linkages. But at the same time, the best way is to actually have value addition. And hence, if you can see here in the background, we have tied up with a company from Bangalore, and this is now being sliced out here. And after the slicing and all takes place, then we can see that it's been kept out here in this side. If you just pan this side on the right side. And then from here, it is taken there in those freezers. You can pan out there in those freezers, and there in the freezers it's kept so that they are able to then package it and then transport it outside. So this is really a pilot project. We are hopeful that we will be able to do this for other products also. And I must congratulate all the stakeholders and our agencies who have come from other parts of the country also to be part of this program. And successfully, as I said, we have been able to take this. It's a trial run, and hopefully now we will learn from the shortcomings and we'll be able to improve things. And I hope that in the future, the processing sector and the overall packaging sector will really grow in the days to come. Thank you very much.